What is verb? A word that characteristically is the grammatical center of a predicate and express an act or occurrence. Types of verb. A verb is a word that shows action or links a subject to another word in a sentence. There are three types of verb: action, linking, and helping. Action verb tells what the subject is doing, like run, hide, walk, swim, or told. Linking verb connects or links a subject to a noun or an adjective in the predicate. Common linking verb: is, are, was, were, being, been, am. Mark is a football player. Mark is a subject. Helping verb helps the main verb express tense and voice. Helping verb need an action verb with them. Susie will go to the store. Helping verb. Common helping verb: shall, will, should, would, could, must, might, can, may, have, had, has. Do, did, is, are, was, were, am, being, been. How do you know if the helping verb or a linking verb? If there is an action verb in the clause also, it is a helping verb. If you do not see any other kind of verb, it is a linking verb. Verbs such as smell, look, taste, feel, remain, turn, appear, become, sound, seem, grow, stay can also be linking verb. Verb are either past, present, or future tense. In writing, you should always use the same tense for your verbs within your paragraph or essay. Michael had played the piano for an hour. Past tense, had played. Cheryl will walk home after school. Will walk, future tense. Susie is a cheerleader. Is present tense. The subject and the verb in a clause also should agree in a number. Joey walks, singular subject, singular subject. Joey and Maggie walk, plural subject, plural verb. She runs, singular subject, singular verb. They run, plural subject, plural verb. Thank you for watching.